Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be going over how to use the Platinum card to get into the Centurion Lounge. So if you plan on traveling a lot and you recently just received your American Express Platinum card, then this video is for you. But if you haven't signed up for American Express Platinum card just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do sign up, you'll actually get a nice welcome bonus offer that isn't offered by just simply signing up on their website. But in order to actually get into Centurion Lounge using your Platinum card, you'll need about three things, okay? Your departing flight needs to be leaving from that airport, meaning that you can't be arriving to the airport and then go into the Centurion Lounge. So first thing is your flight itinerary. The flight has to be departing in order for you to actually get access into the Centurion Lounge. Now, the second thing is that you do need your American Express Platinum card. So they do check this quite often as far as they need a physical card. But I've seen some lounges though where they do give you access via a digital card. So once you get your American Express Platinum card, make sure you download the app. I think it's called Amex Experiences, and link your card to that app so that you can actually go ahead and sometimes, if they accept digitally, show them your digital card. Now, the third thing that you need is, of course, your boarding pass, so that they use your boarding pass to actually verify that your departing flight is leaving from that flight there. And once in a while, I don't think I've had it happen too often, they'll also ask for your ID. So those are like the three main things. Now, if you consider the first thing that I mentioned as far as making sure that your flight is leaving, you can't arrive at an airport and go into their lounge. But if you have a layover, if you arrive, let's say in LA and your layover is in LA, you can most certainly enter the Centurion Lounge from there. Now, with how popular the Centurion Lounge has been getting in these recent years, sometimes there are very long wait lists to get into the Centurion Lounge, which is why, again, I highly recommend that you get the Amex Experiences app and link your American Express Platinum card to the app. And then also on the app, before you actually go to your airport destination in which your flight is departing from, make sure to check and see if there's a wait list, okay? It's happened to me like a handful of times where I just arrive at an airport and I think that I can just instantly get into the American Express Lounge or the Centurion Lounge, but there ends up being a really long wait list. I've sometimes had to wait upwards of around like 2 to 3 hours just to get into the Centurion Lounge, just because more and more people are starting to get American Express Platinum cards. So with that, use the app to see if there's a long wait list, because you can honestly just sign in through the app and put yourself on the wait list like as soon as you arrive to the airport. Okay, so save some time, use the app, make sure that there's no line. It happens usually more during midday, in which a lot of flights tend to happen. But if you're there usually during opening, like American Express Centurion Lounge tends to open around like 5 a.m. Usually if you're the first one there, you don't have to wait in line. But as the day progresses, the lounge does get more packed, it does get more crowded. So make sure to check your app in order to see if you need to get into the waitlist line. But I hope you found this video helpful on how to use a Platinum card to get into the Centurion Lounge. And again, if you haven't signed up for American Express just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do, you'll actually get a nice welcome bonus offer. But thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you know of a better or easier way to actually get into the lounge, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.